In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit, void, or delete transactions in QuickBooks Online. Getting the hang of managing transactions in QuickBooks is crucial for precise bookkeeping and overall account management. We'll proceed step by step to ensure you feel comfortable navigating through these features by the end of this tutorial. So let's dive in. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to the QuickBooks website. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, the sign up process is pretty straightforward and will have you set up in no time. However, if you're a returning user, go right ahead and click on the Sign In option to access QuickBooks Online. Once you've signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your account details. It's essential to cross-check and ensure you're entering the correct information to avoid any login issues. During the sign-in process, you might encounter the I'm not a robot verification step. It's a simple security measure, so just click on it and proceed. After that, hit Continue, and when prompted, enter your password. Remember to keep your password secure and avoid sharing it, as it grants access to sensitive financial information. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step involves selecting your company file. This file contains all your company's financial information, so make sure you pick the correct one to avoid any confusion or errors in data management. With the company file selected, navigate to QuickBooks' main panel. Now let's move towards the interesting part, editing, voiding, or deleting a transaction. Start by clicking on the Sales tab located in the left side menu. This will take you to the Sales Overview page where all sales-related transactions are documented. Next, click on Sales Transactions to see a detailed list of transactions. From the list, select the specific transaction that you are interested in editing, voiding, or deleting. Click on View/Edit to adjust the transaction details as needed. If you need to void or delete the transaction, click on the drop-down menu to reveal these options. Voiding a transaction keeps a record of it in your books, marking it as voided, whereas deleting removes it entirely. Make sure to review your decision before proceeding, as permanently deleting a transaction will erase all records of it. And there you have it, a thorough guide on how to edit, void, or delete transactions in QuickBooks Online. Remember to regularly check your entries to maintain the accuracy and integrity of your financial data. Keep practicing and familiarize yourself with these processes, and you'll be a QuickBooks Pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need it.